Oh, it's hot. Well, hi guys. So it seems that I promised some of you that I would make a vlog. So here it goes. Came to Thailand this morning, and the flight was no complaints at all. It was like 1 hour shorter than it was supposed to be. I found a bus immediately going to Pattaya, where I am now. So I'm not really sure how I feel about starting cycling tomorrow. The heat when I came here was not, I mean, I'm used to this. I've been here, but this has been a really long winter in Sweden and Norway. Long and cold, and this was just hit me. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to bike in the mornings or in the afternoons. It actually seems a bit cooler in the afternoon at this time of year, actually. So anyway, that's how it is now. I'm currently, I've been packing everything and reorganizing. I built the bike, so it's ready already to just pack everything and go tomorrow. But I have to wait for the post office to open so I can send half of my stuff directly to Vietnam, stuff that I don't need to carry. There you have it. If you have any questions, just holler on Facebook, YouTube, and I will try to answer as good as I can. And until next time then, cheers!